Start with the basics, creating a new folder on your computer. First, choose your desired location such as documents or desktop. Right-click in that area, select the new option and then click on folder. You'll see a new folder appear ready to be named. Give it a clear title like personal files or work documents so you can easily identify its contents later. This simple step is the foundation of keeping your files organized and accessible. With a dedicated folder for each category, you'll always know where to find your important documents. Now let's move on to organizing your files within these folders. Once you've created your folders, it's time to organize your files. Simply drag and drop files into the appropriate folders. If you need the same file in multiple places, just copy and paste it into each relevant folder. For even better organization, you can arrange files alphabetically, making it much easier to locate what you need quickly. If you want to rename a file for clarity, right-click on it, select Rename, type the new name, and press Enter. These small steps make a big difference in keeping your digital workspace tidy and efficient. Next, let's see how searching and deleting files can further streamline your workflow. Quickly find a specific file, use the search bar and type the file's name or its type, like PDF, or you can also filter and sort your search results for faster access. If you need to delete a file, right-click and select Delete. Remember to permanently remove it, empty your recycle bin as well. For important files, always create backups using an external hard drive or cloud storage services like Google Drive or Dropbox. Regular backups ensure your data stays safe, even if something unexpected happens. Finally, you can set file permissions for extra security, restricting access or adding password protection as needed. With these tips, managing your folders and files becomes simple and secure.